Okay, let's have a look at solving an algebraic equation where essentially you'll have to work out the algebraic fractions in order to solve the equation. So let's go with something like this. Let's go with x plus 2 over 8, let's say, add x minus 1 over 4, and let's say that's equal to 3/4. Now there are a variety of different ways that you can solve these, but I'm going to do it in a step-by-step method so you can see what's happening. So first of all, I'm going to deal with the fractions as I would do ordinarily. So I'm going to multiply the two denominators, and then I'm going to multiply across the diagonals one at a time. So I'm going to do 4 lots of x plus 2 added to 8 lots of x minus 1. I'm just going to leave the 3/4 for a second over there. And of course the denominator is 8 times by 4, which of course is 32. Now I'm going to just expand my brackets. So I'm going to do 4 lots of x to make 4x, plus 4 lots of 2 to make 8, plus 8 lots of x to make 8x, and 8 lots of negative 1 to make negative 8. Over here, again, done nothing with this 3/4 at the moment, and I've got 32 over here. Now, if I simplify the numerators, so I got 4x and 8x makes 12x in total. The 8 added to the obviously negative 8 eliminate one another, so we've got no other numbers. And we have that over 32, still on this side over 3/4. Now, what I would say is you could simplify if you wanted to at this stage, but just in case you didn't have one that you could, I'm just going to go through this process. So I'm going to multiply the left-hand side by 4 and the right-hand side by the 32 to eliminate the denominators. So I'm going to have 4 lots of the 12 to make 48x, and I'm going to have 32 times by 3, which is 96. Right, hopefully you can see that we're going to get to a lovely number now. So if I divide both sides by 48, I'll have that x is 2. When you have solved any sort of equation, always just substitute your number back into your original equation and make sure that it works out. So I'm just going to do that in red below. So I've got 2 plus 2 would be 4 over 8. Plus I've got 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 over 4 is equal to 3/4. And of course you can see I would simplify that to become 2/4 plus 1/4, and that does work out to be 3/4. So always just do yourself a favour and double check your workings.